Hello, my name is Diana Shields, and today I will be explaining low-tech ideas. The first one that I use is my iPhone, and I believe it's high-tech. The category of assistive technology is that it aids for daily living. It addresses the ability to schedule reminders and program day-to-day living activities. There's also an ability to search the internet, download apps, and call or text individuals. With my iPhone, it guides me into talking into my phone. For example, I can talk through the microphone of my phone, and everything I say can be generated into a text when I'm texting others. Speech to text. The next one is my recently purchased Microsoft Pro laptop. Highly recommended. I believe it's high-tech. The category entails it aids for daily living, and it addresses the following: the ability to type out documents resulting into them being saved. There's an ability to access the media or program software. It can be used as a tablet if the keyboard is not needed as well, which is also very handy and effective, especially in this field. There is an ability for me to speak to my computer into accomplishing tasks when I do not feel the need to type. The third one is my stylus pen. I believe this would be a mid or low tech. The category entails computer and interface access, home and worksite modifications, and aids for daily living. With this, it addresses the ability to facilitate screens in a proper manner in terms of accessing touchscreens more effectively. There may be small things that need to be accessed, and the stylus pen can assist with that. I know for me, for one, there are times my fingers have not been successful with touchscreen, and the stylus pen helps me with this. Thank you.